Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zalie. So in today's video, I'm going to create a look for you guys. I was thinking something with a nice bright eye and a bold lip, something that's super easy to achieve. And so I'm going to switch over to a voiceover for you guys. I really, like I think I've said before in previous videos, I don't really know yet what my audience wants, and I tend to ramble a lot. So I find that by doing voiceovers, I can keep my videos to a shorter time. So that's what I'm going to do for you today, guys. So if you want to see the look that I'm about to create, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so the first product that I'm going in with today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. This is the pore minimizing one. I actually really like this primer. I used to use it quite a lot before I found another primer that I'm enjoying recently. So I'm just warming that product up in between my fingers and then putting it on the problem areas of my face. So just mostly in that T-zone to help fill in those pores. Now the next product that I'm about to pick up and go in with is my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade 2N. I really like this foundation. I feel like I've said this before, but this is like one of the first foundations that I ever really started to use when I really properly got into makeup. And I don't know, I just feel like this foundation never lets me down. It's super long wearing. I like the finish. It's got like a nice satin finish, and yeah, it's got a pretty good shade range as well for a product at the drugstore. So yeah, just speeding up through that. Next we are going in with brows. So I'm going in with my favorite brow powder, the one that I'm always using, the Pony Cosmetics brow powder in shade number 2. And bam, just like that, brows are done. So I've just lightly filled those in. And we're straight on to the next step. So this step is actually quite important for the look that I'm going for today. Now you don't need to use this exact product. This is the MAC Emphasize Pro Powder. What I like about this powder is it's a really brightening powder, which you can see as I'm applying that onto my eyes with one of the Real Techniques brushes. Sorry, it actually doesn't have a name. I'm sorry if you guys can hear some cries and some funny sounds in the background. My little kitten, which is 5 weeks old, I just got it yesterday, is playing. Okay, so yeah, like I said, that step was really important, making sure that we get that bright eye look. Now I'm picking up this palette that I created myself. It's just a bunch of Morphe eyeshadows. The brush that I'm first going in with is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. I absolutely love this brush. It just really does all the work for you. And I'm mixing together the shades Peach Smoothie and Creme Brulee and putting that into my crease. Now just zooming in a bit closer for you guys so that you can get a better view, and I'm going in with the shade Bake Sale, and I'm going in with my Wayne Goss brush in number 20. It's just quite small, but it's really fluffy, so I find this is really great, you know, so you can be really quite nice and precise with where you're placing the product. And then I just pick back up that same Luxe 228 brush to blend it out. Now what I'm doing here is just building up my brown shades. So the next shade that I've gone in with is Sidekick, and as you can see, I'm just putting the product down with the Wayne Goss brush, placing it where I'd like, and then using the Zoeva to blend it all out. The last shade that I'm going in with is Cocoa Bear. I absolutely love this shade. It's a beautiful, rich, warm brown. You can just see the beautiful look that I've been able to achieve just by, you know, meshing together and layering a bunch of different browns. Okay, on to concealer. You can see I had a little bit of fallout from the product, but I really wasn't worried because I hadn't concealed yet anyway. So I'm picking up here my Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place All Day Concealer, and I'm just using that to highlight under the eyes and in the center of my face. And picking back up the same beauty blender that I used to blend out my foundation, I'm blending out that concealer. I actually haven't picked up this powder product in such a long time. This is the Laura Mercier powder. I really love this, guys. I forgot how much I loved it. Honestly, I don't think I've probably used this in around 4 or 5 months. So to pick it back up and use it again, I've definitely fallen back in love with it. So as you can see, I'm just quickly blending out any creases that may have occurred before I'm packing the product on with my E48 brush. And as you can see in this under eye area, I'm really pushing that product into my under eye area so that the powder can really melt in with the concealer and everything can just morph into one. Now I'm going in again with the Laura Mercier powder and my Zoeva 106 powder brush. And I'm kind of doing a similar thing where I'm swirling but patting at the same time this product in. Oh, moving quick. Okay, on to the next product. Another Laura Mercier product. This is their Bake Bronzer in shade 2, I believe. And I'm using my Sephora Pro 55 brush. I really love this brush. It's really good for multiple use. You can use it for foundation, you can use it for bronzer, you can use it for blush. It's a really multi-purpose kind of tool. I just really love the way it diffuses the bronzer, and I absolutely love the bronzer that I've used. This, once again, another product I haven't picked up in a while. Yeah, I just love it. It's nice and warm, and I think it really complements the eye look that I've gone for. Now, just picking up that Laura Mercier product once more and using my beauty blender, I am just carving out underneath my bronzer just to sharpen that up a little bit. And while that bake is sitting there, I've picked up a MAC blush in the shade Melba. I love this shade. It's like a corally peachy color. And I've got another Real Techniques brush. I'm sorry guys, these brushes actually don't have names. I think I brought them as a set. And I'm just using this brush, which I usually don't, but I really like the way it distributed the product, and I'm just blending that out. Now that that bake's been sitting on there for a little while, I'm just using the same brush that I used to set underneath my eyes, the Morphe E48, to dust that all away, and just picking up that bronzer brush once more to blend everything out. The next product that I'm going in with is the Dior Skin Nude Air Luminizer in 001. I did actually originally film like a WTF style video on this highlighter because it did cost me $100, but I never ended up posting it. It is a nice highlight, but as you can see, it's reasonably subtle. You can build it up to be a little more intense, but you definitely will never get a beaming glow from this highlighter. Yeah, so once again, I was kind of reaching for products I hadn't used in a while, so I picked that one up. And as you can see, I went to squirt my face with that MAC Fix Plus. That one's actually in a coconut shade. It smells amazing. The nozzle wasn't open. Epic fail. And now we're just setting the brows with some clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. They make the best brow products. I love their pencil, and I especially love their gel liner. I'm sorry guys, I'm getting distracted. My kitten is literally in my handbag right now. Using my Tarte curler and my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, one of my favorite combos, I'm just coating the lashes, and now I'm picking back up this same two shades that I used on the lid, Bake Sale and Sidekick, and I'm just using a flat kind of what is this brush actually called? Let me find that for you. This is the 226 smudger brush from Zoeva, and I'm just packing the product down with that, and then going in with the Wayne Goss 20 brush to diffuse it out. And I actually bring it quite low and quite smoky because I'm not going to put any mascara on my bottom lash line. I just really wanted to smoke that out. And then picking back up that MAC Emphasize powder once more and just brightening up the inner corner again, and then I'm also brightening underneath the brow bone. I really like this eye look, guys. I loved how it turns out. I just think it's really complimentary. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak. It's just it's gorgeous. And as you can see, I'm just making sure there's no harsh lines once more. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Okay, and then the next product that I'm going in with is, I want to say that this product is actually rubbed off all the writing, but I know it's from the drugstore. I'm just trying to think. Maybe CoverGirl. It's just a nude eyeliner, so I'm just using that on my waterline to brighten things up once more. Now all that's left to do is finish off the lips. So I'm lining my lips with the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Baby Berry. It's such a stunning shade and it's going to go really well with the lip color that we're about to apply. So I'm just lining my lips completely with that. I really have a hard time doing my lips without lining them unless I'm wearing just a gloss or something like that. And then the lip color choice for today is once again another Anastasia Beverly Hills product. This is their liquid lipstick in Craft. I absolutely love this color. I think it really just sets off the eyeshadow and even the bronzer. It just pulls everything together that you really do get that bright eye and bold lip look. So yeah guys, that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial of this bright eye and bold lip. I think that's what I'm going to be calling it. I had so much fun filming it for you guys. I love the way it turned out. It is autumn here in Australia, so I feel like this look is very appropriate for the time of the year. And yeah, I don't know, it's just something fun. It's something super simple. Anybody can do this look. It doesn't require a lot of effort, but I think it still looks super, super flawless. So yeah, anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It means so much to me. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.